Hello guys, it's Cody Steele from Motormouth Entertainment. If you're anything like me, you guys, you find that the diesel engine is the most peaceful, greatest sound in the entire world. It honestly soothes half of America's stress, you know what I mean? Just to hear the lope of a diesel. It's almost like aromatherapy for a bunch of long-haired gray hippies. It just makes you feel good. Now, if you want to put a little pep in your step, you're going to listen closely for a Duramax. Or sometimes you just want to unbutton the belt a little bit and let the belly hang. And that's when you throw the 18-wheeler semi-jake brake on. Or sometimes you just want to let the old steak from last night fly between the gap of your teeth. I'm talking Michael Strahan. Let that steak out of there. Backing up to the line, we got a 1093 horse John Deere 4420 converted into some nastiness coming at ya. He's green and mean and ready to puke out his spleen. You know, after a long day of listening to the soothing sound of whatever a diesel can produce through a straight pipe, sometimes you gotta mellow it down into your good, happy place and picture yourself on a moped, blowing down California way, looking at nothing but G-strings and hula hoop ladies. Sometimes you just want to cool off in the mountains of Colorado, maybe have yourself a brownie or two. You know, let the heels up. Kick off the Ugg boots if you're one of them little fruity ones. Listen to the snowmobiles as they make their way up the canal or snowdrift. Or sometimes you just want to crack open that cold case of Coors Light or Busch Light, as we like to drink up here in the Midwest, and you just want to rev up your Demolition derby car. Now, this derby car, it might be just a piece of iron to any other liberal out there that's staring at it, or it could be one of the best things that's ever happened to you. It may have failed your marriage, but you still love to go out in the garage and just play with that carburetor, stomp that pedal down. You know, a redneck that doesn't like diesel sounds probably doesn't even own a truck. He probably owns a lawnmower. Or an airboat. Or a machine gun. Crotch rockets are a peaceful sound as well, gentlemen. Damn birds, give me that 12 gauge. My name is Tony Steele. I hope I took you through a relaxation stress reliever, because America, you got to keep your thoughts clear, and whatever's in your glass, it best be beer. Just kidding, you can drink some water. It's only Wednesday. Later on.